In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete autocomplete URL suggestions in Google Chrome. We've all experienced those moments when you're typing in the address bar and an old, irrelevant, or even embarrassing URL suggestion pops up. Sometimes it feels like Chrome just remembers everything. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through removing those unwanted suggestions so that your browser reflects only the sites you truly want and need. Let's dive in. First, let's begin by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. If you're on a computer, just click the little plus sign next to your existing tabs or press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. Think of this as creating a clean slate where we'll start the process of managing those URL suggestions. Now that you have your new tab open, go ahead and start typing a few letters of the URL you wish to remove from the suggestion list. Watch as Chrome tries to be helpful by predicting and suggesting possible URLs based on your typing. This is where the culprit suggestion might appear. Once you've typed enough letters for the suggested URLs to drop down, carefully move your mouse to hover over the specific suggestion you want to delete. You'll want to be sure you're targeting the right entry because this is what you'll be removing. As you hover your mouse over the unwanted suggestion, you'll notice that a small X appears to the right of the URL. This is Google's way of allowing you to take control of your suggestions, giving you the option to clean up what shows up when you're typing in the address bar. Here's the most satisfying part. Click the X to delete that specific suggestion. It's as simple as that. With just this one click, you've told Chrome to forget that particular URL. Next time you start typing the same letters, notice how that unwanted suggestion has vanished from the list. It's a straightforward method, but incredibly effective in keeping your browsing experience smooth and personalized. This small trick not only helps in removing clutter, but also clears space for more relevant suggestions that you find useful. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime new URLs creep their way into your suggestions that you'd rather not see. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need more tips on managing your browser, feel free to reach out or check our other videos. Thanks for watching, and make sure to have your browser behaving exactly how you want it.